You're welcome to Math Easy Peasy, and in today's class we shall be looking at finding a cost and selling price when percentage profit is given. Now, for looking for the selling price when percentage profit is given, we simply add 100 to the percentage profit, equating to about 100 times the cost price. Now, percentage of the cost price is constant, it is always 100. So when we're looking for the selling price, when the percentage profit is given, it is expected that the selling price is always bigger than the cost price by the profit. So we are going to add the percentage profit to 100. The 100 is the percentage for the cost price, and use it as our numerator and equate it to the cost price percentage and multiply it by 100. But the reverse is the case. Whenever we're looking for the cost price, we write 100, which is the constant, which is the percentage of the cost price, as our numerator, and add the percentage profit to the 100 to make it our selling price, and multiply it by the selling price to get the cost price. So for cost price, it is 100 over 100 plus percentage profit times the selling price. While for the selling price, it is 100 plus percentage profit over 100 times cost price. Let's go straight to our first question for today. In our first question for today, a trader sold an article for $150 and made a profit of 20%. What was the cost price of the article? The first thing we must look at are the parameters that have been given to us. We were given 150 naira as our selling price and a percentage profit of 20%. So what do we need to do? So the selling price is equal to $150. Percentage profit is equal to what? 20%. Therefore, cost price will be equal to 100 over 100 plus the 20% percentage profit times the selling price over 1, which gives us 100 over 120 times the selling price, which is $150 over 1. This can take this off. 3 here gives us 4, while 3 into 15 will give us what? 5. 4 here 1. 4 into 100 will give us 25. Now, 25 times 5 will give us $125. That is the cost price of the good. In our second example for today, if the percentage profit on a bag of rice is 10%, and the cost price for this bag of rice is 2,600 naira, we are asked to find the selling price. Now, this is a little different from the former question. In the former question, we were asked to find the cost price, what percentage profit is given. And in this question, we are asked to find the selling price when percentage profit is also given. So the first thing we must do is to write up our parameters. So our cost price for the bag of rice is actually 2,600 naira. Percentage profit for this bag of rice is equal to 10%. Therefore, selling price SP is equal to the 100 plus the 10 over 100 times cost price. This is actually easy peasy. Now, why are we adding the 100 to the 10? Because the selling price is actually the cost price plus the profit. This stands for the profit. The 100 just stands for the cost price. So, and since we are looking for selling price, we use the selling price percentage as our numerator. Now, we can impute these parameters into the formula. So we have 110 all over 100 times the cost price, which is 2,600 naira all over 1. This take this off, this take this off. What we have left is 110 times 26. 2,860 naira. Maths is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's okra soup. See you in my next class.